In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade to Google One using the Google Drive app on your iPhone or iPad. A Google One membership gives you more storage across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, extra member benefits, and Google Expert support, all of which you can share with your family. When you upgrade to Google One, your membership replaces your current Google Drive storage plan. To upgrade, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the menu button in the top left corner. Tap Storage. Next, tap Get Storage. You'll see several different storage plans and subscription models to choose from. Once you've decided on your plan, tap the blue button listing the monthly or yearly price. Then, the App Store will ask you to confirm. Tap Subscribe to complete your subscription purchase. Once you've upgraded your storage, it can take up to 24 hours for the storage to become available. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Google One, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.